Dr. Reddington here with Nature's Gold. Think of me as your body's backstage pass to peak performance. I sniff out the good stuff, so you don't have to. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse tick and why it matters. Move with the fluid freedom your body was built for. We start with a clinical 1,500 milligram dose of glucosamine sulfate, the primary building block of your cartilage and joint fluid. We've paired this with chondroitin and MSM to help your joints retain water and shock-absorbing resilience. Together with methionine, these ingredients provide the organic sulfur and raw materials needed to maintain cartilage density and support the collagen cross-linking that keeps your connective tissues strong and durable. To address daily discomfort and stiffness, we deploy a botanical shield of boswellia and turmeric. These extracts work in harmony to down-regulate inflammatory signaling in your synovial tissue, reducing morning stiffness without the gastric irritation common with standard relievers. This is reinforced by quercetin, a potent antioxidant that stabilizes your joint tissues against oxidative stress and environmental wear and tear. To finish the protocol, we've included bromelain, a proteolytic enzyme that helps manage joint swelling and post-exercise soreness. By clearing inflammatory mediators and supporting protein breakdown, this final phase encourages faster recovery and improved range of motion. Whether it's your knees, hips, or hands, this multi-pathway stack works over time to increase your activity tolerance and restore your physical confidence. Delivered in a clean, vegetable capsule for easy daily integration, it's a comprehensive system designed to build, protect, and cushion your joints for a life in motion. No fluff, no fillers, just top shelf. Backed by science, brewed by nature, and bottled just for you using the most potent nutrients from premium ingredients. Packed with the purest quality. Take control of your vitality and power up with Nature's Gold, the new standard in health.